So it looks as though Nyck de Vries has been given 3 races to improve his performance, or he's going to be replaced by Daniel Ricciardo. Well, I always knew that this could be a danger, because we all know how fast Red Bull tend to change their drivers if they don't deliver, or don't deliver up to Red Bull's expectations. But if indeed it is true that he's going to be replaced, then I would say it's great news for Daniel Ricciardo, even though he did say that he wanted a bit of time off from Formula 1. But either way, let's see what's happened. Let's see what happens. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? If you do have a comment to make, then I would love it if you would leave me a nice comment and we could start a good discussion. If you haven't done so already, I would encourage you to smash the subscribe button, and if you want to support me, you can do so by becoming a channel member, or in other ways which can be found in the video description below this video. Alright, cheers for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.